Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use flex feature. We use like this. Go to insert, go to feature, go to flex feature. Now you have more parameter. You can use bending, twisting, tempering and stretching. In flex input parameter, click this part and insert the degree. See? And click OK. See? Suppress this feature. Now active flex feature again. Go to insert, go to feature, click flex feature, go to twisting, and flex input, click this part, click this. See? See? And click OK. See? Suppress this feature. Now go to insert again, active feature, active flex feature, and flex input, click this part and choose tempering. See? See? Suppress this feature. Go to insert again, go to feature, click flex feature, and now choose stretching. Click this part for flex input parameter. See? See? Now you know how to use for flex feature. See? See? Now you know how to use flex feature. That is Quick Tips. See ya.